Hello YouTube, my name is Brett King. I'm the owner of King's Clippings here in the Midwest. Today I am doing a video on the 34-inch Hustler Surfer Pro. We are going to be installing the stripe kit, so let's get to it. Alright, so we have our stripe kit down there. We have our hoist with the chain for extra safety precautions. I feel pretty confident. This machine's only about 500 pounds. And if it was to come down, you do have the tires there. So we're not in real danger. So your stripe kit looks like this. You have your flap. You have your flap. You have this metal bracket here. See that groove? And you see that groove. Those are going to go in those slots right there. And then the two holes you are going to be focusing on right here and right here. So let's put that on. Let's get our bolts started. We'll tighten it up. Okay, so we have our strap kit on. I just finger tighted just put them on finger tight. Here's your first bolt. If you look right up and through here, you will see, I cannot see it. Oh, here we go. So right up and through here is where you want to put finger through. Just hold it with your two fingers and then start the bottom. And then you'll twist this and it'll tighten up. So it's just spinning now because I have to hold it with a pair of vice grips. But I just wanted to show you how to get those started. Again, that's the back view. There's not a lot of space in between here and here. I'm about 150, 175 pounds. My hand fits through there. And I'm able to get my two fingers right on top of there. You should be able to get in there and tighten it. Let's get a socket and some vice grips, we'll tighten it up. All right, so it is a 9/16 bolt on the bottom. One here, one here. I actually used a pair of channel locks. Just put them in here, grab a hold of it, tighten from the bottom side. It is on there, safe and secure. So let's start it up. Let's see how it looks.